Hello and welcome to Unpacked Hospitality. I'm Alex.
And I'm Hanna. Hi, everyone.
Alex, today I helped a guest with their heavy luggage. I grabbed the bags, I ran down the corridor, I put them in the room, and I ran away super fast. I am the best at customer service.
Oh, no, Alex. Fast is good, but you cannot just run away. Did you smile? Did you use the guest's name? Did you ask if they needed anything else?
Smile? Talk? No, I was breathing too hard from running. I didn't have time.
Alex, customer service is not just about speed. Housekeeping is the guest's home away from home. You must make them feel welcome and special.
Really? What is the secret to excellent customer service then?
Let's find out. Our reporter, Sarah, is talking to Mrs. Miller to learn the basic rules of housekeeping customer service. Let's listen.
Listen carefully for these words: presentation, chore, and knowledge.
Hello, Mrs. Miller. Housekeeping is not just about cleaning. It is also about customer service. What is the first rule?
Hello, Sarah. The first rule is good personal presentation. You must wear a clean uniform and always smile. You must also use the guest's name to make them feel valued. How should we use their name? Always use their last name. For example, say, "Good morning, Mr. Smith." If you forget the name, just say "Sir" or "Madam." Never use nicknames. What kind of things do guests usually request for their rooms? They often request extra towels, coffee, an iron, or a power adapter. When you deliver the item, you say, "Here is your extra towel, Mr. Smith." Do not rush. Give it to them happily so it does not look like a chore. What if they request help because the TV or the air conditioner is not working? That is why room attendants must have excellent product knowledge. You must know how the TV or the in-room safe works so you can teach the guest. So you help them, use their name, and don't rush. What should we say before we leave the room? Always ask one important question. Is there anything else I can do for you, Mr. Smith? Then you finish the service with a positive statement, like, "It's been a pleasure." A perfect positive ending. Thank you, Mrs. Miller.
Wow, Alex. Now you know you cannot just drop the bags and run away. You must smile and say, "Here are your bags, Mr. Smith."
Yes, I learned my lesson. Let's look at the vocabulary. Mrs. Miller talked about personal presentation. Presentation.
Presentation is how you look to other people. Good personal presentation means wearing a clean uniform, having neat hair, and smelling fresh.
Next, she used the word chore. chore.
A chore is a boring or hard job that you do not want to do. We never want the guest to think their request is a chore for us. We must serve them happily.
Finally, she talked about product knowledge. knowledge.
Knowledge means having information in your brain. In a hotel room, product knowledge means knowing exactly how to use the TV, the safe, or the heating controls.
Exactly. Okay, listeners, it is time for our customer service quiz. Let's see if you remember Mrs. Miller's advice for finishing a conversation with a guest.
Before the room attendant leaves the guest's room, they must ask a very helpful question.
Here is the question. What should you ask the guest before you finish your service and leave the room? A. Are you leaving soon? B. Is there anything else I can do for you? C. Can I go to sleep now?
Which question is the most professional? Is it A, B, or C? Please write your answer in the comments section below.
We will give a heart to everyone who gets it right.
Now, let's recap the vocabulary from today's episode. First, presentation, how clean and professional you look.
Chore, a boring task that you don't want to do.
And knowledge, knowing how the items in the room work.
That's all for today. Remember to learn your guests' names.
It's been a pleasure. See you next time on Unpacked Hospitality. Bye!
So long.